why your Airbnb listing isn't showing up and how to fix it. You just spent hours setting up your Airbnb listing. You've taken the photos, written the description, set the price, and now you're ready to open your door and welcome guests. Except now you're sat there refreshing the page, wondering why your property isn't showing up. Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue comes up far more than you actually think it does. So let's break it down and see why this happens, and more importantly, how to fix it. Number 1, your listing still might be under Airbnb's verification process. Totally normal. If your listing is brand new, Airbnb takes up to 72 hours to review the listing before it appears in search results. Yes, it's really annoying, but it's totally normal. While you wait, it's not a bad idea to double check everything. I mean everything on your listing. Your photos, description, your amenities, and your key pricing. Make sure everything is filled out properly, because any misleading info can delay or even block your listing. Number 2, it's possible your listing is accidentally set to unlisted or snoozed. This happens all the time. Maybe you snoozed your listing for a holiday, or Airbnb unlisted it for a cancellation or maintenance flag. To check it, simply log into your account, go to listings, check if the listing says unlisted or snoozed in the corner, and if it does, go to listing settings, head to listing status, and if it is, set it to listed. It's honestly a simple and quick fix, just like that. Number 3, you've got block dates or limited booking settings. Block dates equals zero visibility for those dates. On the other hand, minimum stays means you might not appear at all in searches if guests are looking for shorter stays. So do check your calendar. Any date with a slash through it is blocked. Open those up if they were blocked by accident. Also consider lowering your minimum stay, especially if you're struggling with bookings or low reviews. Airbnb won't show you to a guest looking for a weekend getaway if your listing says 5 nights minimum. Just won't happen. So consider lowering the minimum stay. Number 4, high competition is pushing you right down the results. Here's the brutal but honest truth. Airbnb only shows 300 listings per search. If you're in a saturated market, have no reviews, or your pricing is too high, you might simply be buried. But there are ways to climb. Turn on Instant Book. Airbnb loves it, and it rewards you with more visibility. Lower your price temporarily to get your first few bookings and reviews. Reviews equals trust. Trust equals high ranking. Also, keep your response time super fast, ideally within an hour or 2 hours. Airbnb ranks you based on how quickly you reply to guests. If you're slow, your visibility tanks. Number 5, your listing details might be messing you up. Guests use filters a lot. If your details are inaccurate, you'll be excluded from searches. Make sure your guest capacity, bed count, and amenities are all 100% correct. Check your location pin. If it's off, Airbnb might place you too far from where people are actually searching. Also, double check your photos. Low quality images equals low click-through rate equals bad ranking. Final tip, try searching for your own listing like a guest would. Use filters that match your own listing. Bedrooms, hot tub, location, all the works. See if you show up. If you don't, it means something's off. This process isn't always instant, but addressing these issues first gives you a fighting chance, especially in a saturated market. And if you want a faster way to manage the ins and outs of your listing, tools like Uplisting help automate availability, messaging, and syncing across booking platforms, so you're not constantly fighting the algorithm. I've also gone ahead and dropped a link to Uplisting in the description down below. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And until next time, it's a bye from us.